children, good morning. Today in this class I am going to explain you about the differences between the photosynthesis and respiration. Okay, so photosynthesis, it occurs only in the presence of the light. It occurs only in the presence of the light in the plants, that is in the autotrophic nutrition performing organisms. Okay, that they are nothing but the plants. Okay, so whereas the respiration, it takes place 24 hours, that is as well as day and night. It occurs both day and night. Okay, and it takes place both in the plants and animals. Okay, so what is, you know, the equation of the photosynthesis. So this is the equation of the photosynthesis. So what is the definition of the photosynthesis? By seeing the equation, you can say that the green plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from the soil in the presence of the light and in the chloroplast, in the chlorophyll pigment. It prepares the glucose, that is C6H12O6, and water and oxygen are produced. Okay, so this is the equation for the photosynthesis. Whereas the respiration, whatever the products, what are the end products here? So whatever the end products formed in the photosynthesis are utilized in the respiration process, that is glucose and oxygen are utilized to produce or to release the energy. So glucose, that is a carbohydrate, and oxygen are the byproducts in the respiration process. So they releases carbon dioxide and water and energy. Okay, so here the energy is stored in the form of glucose. In the photosynthesis process, energy is stored in the form of the glucose, whereas in the respiration process the energy is stored in the form of ATP, and it is liberated when the ATP will break down. Okay, so here it is the constructive process. Constructive process means that is building up of the carbohydrate, that is it is taking the carbon dioxide and water from the atmosphere and builds the big carbohydrate. Okay, that is the anabolic process. Whereas it is the destructive process, that is it breaks down the carbohydrate and releases the energy. Okay, so you take the photosynthesis. This photosynthesis process takes place only in the plants, that is only in the green parts of the plants, the cells which consist of the chlorophyll pigment. Whereas you take the respiration, so the respiration occurs in all the body cells and releases the energy. Okay, okay. Next, the energy is stored, so it is called as endothermic process. So in this photosynthesis process, energy, that is glucose, that is end product, that is stored, so it is called as endothermic process. Whereas here the energy is released, so it is called as exothermic process. Okay, so here the carbohydrate, that is glucose, is synthesized. Here the carbohydrate which is formed in the photosynthesis is oxidized. Carbohydrate is oxidized. Okay, here in the photosynthesis the light energy is converted into the chemical energy, that is light energy is nothing but this natural carbohydrate and water. They are converting into chemical energy, that is nothing but glucose. Whereas here whatever the chemical energy formed in the photosynthesis is utilized in the respiration, so that chemical energy is converting into the mechanical energy to do the work. Okay, so oxygen and glucose are released as the end products here. So here the end products are the carbon dioxide and water are produced along with releasing of some amount of energy. Okay.